Let's go ahead and talk about identity properties. We'll talk about addition first, but what an identity property is a property or an operation that doesn't change the identity or value of the original value. So when you add 0 to a number, you get the same number. It doesn't change the value. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. This ends up being really, really important when we get into solving and, just in general, okay? 0 is the addition identity. Now let's talk about multiplication. Now with multiplication, we have a different identity. 3 times 0 would be 0. Well, 3 times 1 is equal to 3. When you multiply any number by 1, it retains its identity or value. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. Now let's go ahead and talk about the zero product property, which seems like a really simple property to begin with, but ends up being really important. So we know that 2 times 3 is 2 groups of 3 being added together, which is of course equal to 3 plus 3. 1 times 3 must then be 1 group of 3 being added together, which is of course equal to 3. So we had 2 3's, now we have 1 3. Hopefully you see where this is going. When we do 0 times 3, that's going to equal 0 groups of 3 being added together, which of course would just be 0. So what we're saying is anything times 0 is just equal to 0.